Here we get
Yes,
started.
sir.
All right. Okay. So I'm glad that I'm among Toastmasters, some of whom I have dealt with and I've met, who I count my friends. It's a great privilege. First question. Please, by the way, everybody, please unmute. Everybody, please unmute and let's see each other. I'm using the slides to make things easy. Allow me to do that. So my question is, when was D120 born?
1 year.
Month?
July.
We are close to completing 1 year. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. So that, in other words, we are a new baby. We are a new baby. Therefore, my question to you, tell me, I want 10 answers. What influences our perception, the personality of District 120? One by one. Go ahead. Anybody with a surname starting with A, B, C, D, or whichever way, we can manage the cacophony. Go ahead. What influences someone's perception about the personality of District 120? Silence? No way.
Creativity and innovation.
Creativity, innovation where?
In
Conducting quality meetings.
Meetings, all right.
Seasoned speakers.
Speakers, yes.
advertising.
Advertising, who does advertising?
Yeah.
Pallavi.
Pallavi, you do advertising as in?
Advertising as in having all the advertising our clubs in all the social media platforms like LinkedIn.
Okay, the flyers, right?
Flyers.
How does
Yeah.
Okay.
the next point, which I think is how does we take the message from the leaders to the members? How we are conveying it? So
How
that is
meaning?
how we,
How meaning the medium?
yes, the
or-
medium and the words, what we
Ah.
exactly used to convey.
Wonderful. That's something often forgotten. Who said that?
Priya
Priya.
Ganesh.
Priya, I thought so. Hi, Priya. So that's something we forget. In fact, that's something I want to emphasize. Brilliant. Another two more answers and we'll
And recognize the talents of District 120 team.
recognize
from
the
the first-
talent. Fine. Okay. One more.
Finding the right people for the chief guest or someone to motivate the young leaders or young
All
young
right. So
Toastmasters.
speakers. Okay.
Speakers,
We'll
yeah,
do one.
please.
I'm sure. Thank you very much for getting started. I don't have a separate energizer because I'm not a professional trainer. So don't expect games and things from me. But we will stick to what I think will be of use to all of us. Next question. Close your eyes and think of a few seconds which club comes to your mind apart from your own club. Anyone?
We recently had a joint meeting
No.
with the
Just
Chennai
name. I just want the name. I just
Chennai
want the name.
Articulators Club.
Chennai Articulators. Why?
We had one joint meeting with them,
All
so
right.
we had
Okay.
experience.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
experience. Yeah.
Some club you have not been to recently, but still that name comes to your mind. Can anyone have an answer like that?
South Chennai Toastmasters.
Why South Chennai, ma'am?
Community club. I have been the conference chair for that club.
No, I'm saying sorry. Without any physical presence, any clubs
Oh, yeah,
that comes to your
walkie-talkie.
mind.
Yeah,
Why
walkie-talkie.
walkie-talkie?
So because they are going for a 100th meeting today, it seems like
Huh?
it has been, in social media they have been
All
published.
right. Okay. So you see, what I asked you is an extension of what you answered earlier. What we present ourselves in the public's mind is an amalgam, sum total of all these. Last night, I had a youngster calling me from my club. He asked me, a new member, hey, why is it that, sir, the PR is considered so big? PR only comes fourth. I said, PR influences minds. Today, after atomic warfare, we are now in a fight for minds. PR can influence minds. It can influence people's opinions. It can decide your membership. Therefore, PR is important. I'm not flattering anyone here. All of you, I believe, must have done PR 10 years sometime or the other. That is the importance, from your experience. So when you talk to the new crop, all that I'm going to say here is not to impress you with reference to me. If I can be of any help in helping you get that excitement to your trainees, that is my objective. If I go out of that, give me a shout, I will correct myself. Okay? Why I'm saying this is, We are just 1 year old. It's the bones are yet to set. The bones of our personality are yet to set. We can make it the way we want. Together, do a planned attempt. Now, that will be done by the people you're going to train and a few generations like that. So that is the importance of the volunteering that you have taken on your own hands. Compliments to you. Then, any questions, any disagreements, please ask me. I would appreciate that. So with these provisos, I will go to my next slide. Now this, I am forced to use this slide. You will be forced to use this slide. This is a very generic slide, unfortunately. So I have created a supplementary slide on my next other computer. So I'm using that because I cannot integrate the two. This is a PDF I've been given. You need to do the same thing. Please make notes for your slides and make a complete presentation when your chance comes. Oh, there goes. I'm not able to. Okay. Yes. So the agenda, you will present this agenda. It's a very obvious thing. Don't spend too much time over this. My suggestion to you, because it's expected. So we know you ask them, what do you think are the roles and responsibilities of VPPR? And typically, the session objective, I'm sorry to say, is same as the agenda, right? So don't expect anything new to come here. Then it doesn't start here. You can, there's nothing you can say here if you ask me. Now here is where I would suggest that you use some honest words from your own heart based on experience that make them feel proud of the job they're going to do. I asked you some questions in the beginning, right? Use your own methodology to find out what is the significance of what they do. It is not like they bring out flyers. That is a primary level. Bring it out to them as the importance of what they're going to do and make them feel good. That is the task of this slide. Any suggestions? One thought, what would you say? Anyone?
You're going to be the noise makers in the social media for your club.
Right. Sure. So, that's a style. Look at what appeals to them. What appeals to their ego? Simple. They are our audience. Right? Then there is a slide like this. This is typically how you need to cover everything. You would say at the club meeting, outside the club meeting, and at the executive committee meeting, which is true. But tell me something. What is the role, for example, since all of your experience, let's be honest, what's the role of an ExCom, VPPR's role in the ExCom? Anyone?
Understand any meeting.
Not every idea.
Come with the idea. Could I hear more on that?
To promote every plan of the ExCom.
All right. Okay. So, okay, fine. Somebody's talked about an idea, coming up with an idea. What was that? No mind. Friends, I hope all of us have read the club leadership manual, right? That is the Bible. This is a translation of that. So please don't get misguided. The Bible is the same, which says VPPRs are responsible for developing and directing a publicity program. That is their basic task. Now here, of course, we are trying to dissect this and how it is done before the meeting, at the meeting, and during the meeting. That's the, kal aaja or kal. You cannot blame that. But what you need to deliver will fall between lines, as I will explain to you. Before the meeting, verify that the information given on the website is correct, given in the social media is correct. And can someone answer this for me? What is ordering promotional materials? Anyone? If it is not there, ignore
All your
it.
ribbons.
Who buys the ribbons? Not PPPR. I think. See, there is a large armory of literature in the TI shops. If you don't order it, ignore it. That's what I want to say. Ribbon, I think, is VPE responsibility. Correct? If I'm wrong, please tell me.
Yes, you're right, sir.
Yeah, okay, thanks. So now we go into during the meeting. During the meeting, distribute promotional materials. By the way, I have never been part of a corporate club. So kindly can someone volunteer and tell me, in the corporate club situation, do you distribute promotional materials?
No.
Yeah, we do, sir.
Yes, I thought so. So this is, yeah, can you explain in a sentence what you distribute?
Generally, we have Toastmasters magazines that we will be sharing and keeping on the tables in a physical meeting.
Exactly. So friends, this I anticipated, but I didn't want to guess. This is what is meant by promotional materials. By the way, do you know, in fact, at the end, I'll show you there's a resources. You can pull out a lot of ready-made materials from TMI website. I'll come to that. Second, report results of the public relations efforts. It is very much in a net. It doesn't happen every day. You know it, and I know it. So if it is appropriate, this happens. Because I don't want you to miss the woods for the trees. These are all trees. Announce public relations campaign, of course. Solicit volunteers, by all means. I'm not belittling it, but I think there are more important things we need to do. Outside the club meeting, means after the meeting is over, publicize Toastmaster brand, promote the club, maintain club website, join Toastmaster moderated. This may not be there in our case. Produce and distribute. I'll come back, don't worry. Club newsletter, promote membership program, attend club XCOM meeting, attend other Toastmaster events. Let's look at each of them. See, this is a major task of the PR head. Publicize the Toastmaster brand. If you ask me, the tasks are like this. Publicize TMI. Publicize the club. Publicize individual meetings. Publicize club successes. And be a brand custodian. If you ask me, this is how I see this is how I see the task. Incidentally, I'm sorry I'm unable to share my PPT. So if you'd like to take notes, if it helps you for your session, please feel free to do that. I repeat, publicize TMI, club, meeting, successes. Successes would mean somebody completes an education program, somebody completes a certain number of years, or somebody completes a path, all that. And some have birthdays. I leave it to you. And this, publicizing this among the external audience and the internal audience. This is the number one task. Number two is be the brand custodian. I will deal with the brand. I request the timer to please give me a shout when I'm 30 minutes. Thank you. Then club website is important. I agree. Here, what I would again list out, which is not here, relevant to Indian situation are, you have the local media such as I am in Adyar. So Adyar Times is my local media. If I can get to Indian Express, wonderful. If I can get to a television channel, wonderful. So that's media. Then you have social media, which all of you are familiar with. All of you use it quite a lot. LinkedIn to all that is still existing in India, still not asked to go. Third is newsletter. Newsletter, incidentally, friends, newsletter gives you 3 marks out of 100 in your golden gavel. So you'll be popular with your president if you can bring out a newsletter. Then you have a website. Website is important because I'm with Medley. When we ask new guests, guests, most of them hear and get a feel about the club through our website. A smart thing would be to use the website as a differentiator. For example, if you go to Medley website, we all have the same kind of material. We have our anthem, which is displayed there very proudly. We also have got a small video history of Medley. So, when everybody is there in a hit parade, fashion parade, how can you stand out? That is the task, if you ask me, of the VPPR. Everybody is doing the same thing. Why should I look better? Excuse me. That's the task of VPPR. That is how you promote the club. This you do through website, newsletter, social media, whatever. And then the much used flyers. They are the bread and butter promotional material of all VPPRs. I will spend some time over it. Then, of course, we have PR campaigns. When your media, your campaign, along with your VP membership, you may bring out a program for membership generation. That's very much the task. You can stop me any time if I've glossed over anything. This is equally important, which is when it's time, get a replacement for yourself. Typically, it is 6 months. Am I right? All of us are going for the 6 months term. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So ideally,
Yes.
ideally, get your potential successor as an extension team. Let them work with you. There'll be complete continuity. Here, I want to answer the question one of you gentlemen asked. Every flyer, you are trying to get more people to come for the meeting. So what do? You bring out such visuals. But there must be a trademark, visual trademark for everything that comes out of your club. You simply think about it. Coke. Even without the brand name, you can make out a Coke ad. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same thing with Bank of Baroda. Same thing with Pepsi, of course. I should say Pepsi, otherwise I'll be in trouble. Coke and Pepsi go together, right? Same thing with Airtel. Same thing with LIC. Today, companies have become smart. Their visual identity is so intact, you should remind. I told you, this is a dual task. Sell Toastmasters, sell your club, sell the meeting. Even as you sell the meeting with creativity, keep that personality intact so that cumulatively, your club will get the benefit. Remember, I asked you earlier to close your eyes and visualize the club? That kind of a visual will come from the, if you have a consistency in your design. Karthikeyan, did I answer your question there? Sorry, it wasn't Karthikeyan. I'm sorry. Someone else asked. So this is my answer for that question. Then I will move on. At the XCOM, yes, like someone said, you have the role to provide your report. A report means you have a plan, you have an action plan. So you give a report. That's the most expected thing. I don't think we should make a song and dance about that. What I would like to do now is allow me to just keep my next slide ready. Yeah. Propose new promotional ideas. This is very generic. Again, essentially in corporates and in community clubs, it'll be for membership drive, I would imagine, right? Can someone give me an instance
Yes,
of a
sir.
promotion that you do other than for membership? It's essentially membership, right?
For landmark, for milestone meeting, we do a lot of.
Fair enough. Brilliant. Yes, I'm with you on that. I will reckon that also. Sure. Now, again, pardon this. You may not be able to give a full answer to this question. How, when, who, and what. Of course, these are the basic questions we must ask. But I would urge you to use this opportunity to, okay, even before that, allow me to say this. Remember, we saw the slide saying before, during the meeting, and after. If you ask me what is not mentioned there, I can go back if you like. I'm sorry, I skipped that. Sorry. Yeah, you see? Yeah. Before the club meeting. You know the task? Before the club meeting, not mentioned here, I would like you to mention the VPPR has to generate visitors with attractive designs. Right? So this is, I would like you to mention it when this is very generic. I'm with you on this, but this is an important task that's missed in this site. Moving forward, during the meeting, I don't see any role, so I will skip that. now we come to see how to fulfill the BPPR responsibilities. We saw it already that we are the brand custodians. We have to promote the club. We got a website, which is a visitor gateway. We have a newsletter to be brought out, and we have campaigns, and we have to ready our successor, ideal to make them part of our extended team. Correct? So this to me is a summary. The how, when, who, what is summarized in my view by this listing of what we are responsible for. These questions are again asked rhetorically, but we cannot answer it in the slide. Correct? Because I mean, which responsibility are we talking about? So this is only a guideline for us to describe some of the tasks involved, which is what I'm going to do now. See, the first task, you can tell your trainees, they will have to take over from 1st of July, right? That's an immediate task, right? So how ready are they? I think we should help them be ready from to take on from the 1st of July. From 1st of July, the work should get started. How do we do that? In my view, they need a plan. If you ask me, they need a plan to be worked out with the president. VPPRs don't work in isolation. So they need to sit with the president and create a plan. What is a plan? Typically, presidents will have highlighted areas called themes, correct? So point number one, if you ask me, ask them, number one, to get the theme for the term. Then secondly, friends, please suggest that they create a timetable where VPE and the VPPR are tied together. How are they tied together? The meeting is planned by who? Well, from your experience, who gives you the details?
VP.
Exactly. So agree on Wednesday, you will give me the role players' names. Thursday, you will give me the program agenda, so that Thursday I can pull out the flyer. Friday, I can do a second flyer. This, depending on your requirement, your internal audience, agree on a timetable. Similarly, when someone completes an education program, tie it up such a way that information is given to you, and have a covenant. Agree on the timelines you will take and let the entire ExCom know. This is my next recommendation. Third, newsletter. Get an editor who is sound in English. With that, you can always persuade and manage things. And get someone who can do the basic design. So this is your major task as VPPR. Tell them to get a team to bring out the journal. It's enough you bring out one newsletter for mark's sake, but if for communication, it's always healthy, good to have more number of newsletters coming out. Again, don't make it 100 pages so that nobody will read. Make it readable, friendly. If I have the time, I will tell you something more about how to make it friendly. Fourth, this is limited to only some clubs who need it. Where you need to go out of the club and use social media, use local media, there it's a separate story altogether. Friends, one good thing about Toastmasters, I'll tell you, the resources tell us what to do in respect of all that you can visualize, which I will show you at the end. And don't spend your time, except for your knowledge, on things that you're not going to do. I'm being practical about it. Otherwise, you can read up and be a better communicator. In that sense, it will help you. Fifth is website. Friends, a website, how many clubs have websites? Anyone who doesn't have a website, just shout.
We don't have a website.
I suggest to you, it's not difficult. Look at so many sample websites templates are available. Just like a newsletter, bringing it in a digital form, that becomes a website. Then you organically develop that. It's because people, when they want to know you, apart from your telephone number, they will go to the website. I recommend this to you. This will be a good I'm so sorry. You will be communicating it to the VPPRs. Tell them that they will become noticed when by the president and the ExCom and the members if they can start a website if there is none. Secondly, add more to the website. Campaigns I will not take, because campaign is something not started by you. The ExCom will ask you to do it, so therefore I would not I don't have any specific recommendation to give you. Then you saw this earlier. They asked how, when, who, what. Friends, from my side, please add one more question. Why? If you want teams to work together, if they don't know why we are doing it, they will not own it. So please suggest to the VPPRs, when they sell an idea, tell them why. Tell them that this newsletter will create more Bonhomie. Tell them that this flyer will invite more people to come in. The why of it is the only logical explanation we can give as two intelligent individuals. So add why also to your question. Checklist. This is the toolkit. This is the toolkit. Tell them not to miss a single step. It's so very obvious. Anyone can read it. It's the basic thing you have to do before the 1st of July. The club officers training that you will attend, you will address, read the materials given, meet the outgoing ExCom, meet with the VP PR, incidentally ask them to get the photographs of the members so that they don't have to reinvent it. You will need it from day one, right? Meet with the current ExCom, invite 1 or 3 members to serve as PR committee, review and order PR materials, not very relevant for us. Solicit articles or website. Again, I don't want to give this as a generic answer, depends on each. Develop a media list. Media list here is the list of media, means newspapers that you want to call. Not relevant for many of us. I will stop here. If anyone has any doubt about these points, I want to address it, because this is vital. Any doubts, anyone on these points? Anyone? Or from your experience, you are knowledgeable, right? Could someone translate the silence for me?
Yes, sir. We understood that.
Exactly.
Guidelines. And I have one strange experience with all the members, right? While asking photos, right? So they are sending their non-professional photographs. You could also talk on that view as well.
Very good point. Very good point. All of you could tell them. In fact, now you're now pulling me into my favorite items. Also tell them to what kind of size you want, bust, whatever. And when you deal with it, tell the VPPRs, keep the head sizes the same. At times you can see somebody, like me, like this. I'm in this frame. Whereas Karthikeyan is close up, I can even see his mole on his nose, right? So tell them to, there are so many wonderful things. I'm so glad. Since your experience, I'm glad I can skip those points. So with your understanding, can I skip this slide? Any other questions? Any doubts? Any disagreements?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, this is something that I want each of you to read. You know why? I have done that. I have minimized and kept each of those slides. You know why? When you present this, if somebody asks you, hey, what is this? Let the world know what is it. You should not cut a sorry figure. So in order not to cut a sorry figure myself, I have the miniature, I have, kept all of them here. The links are ready with me here. Quickly, I'll tell you. In fact, I want you to all open it and see and show it just like I have it my second laptop. I have it all here with me. media kit, for example, starting from the beginning. Let the world know. That's the most comprehensive knowledge bank on VPPR's jobs. Everything, including legalese, is there. PR newsletter, it's that usual newsletter that comes out. Media center has to do with the media that is in newspapers, how to create press releases, all those details are there. PR corner is again the same thing in a truncated manner. All about Toastmasters, that's how to sell Toastmasters. You have a variety of literature. That's what I was referring to. If you're doing a promotional campaign, get a get a printout, you can make use of that. Brand portal, a club success plan, we know that. It's the same thing. Brand portal is, I'm going to spend time on the brand portal. And marketing resources is, again, it's a lot of gyan on how to market along with sample literature. So I want you to be familiar with it so that you don't cut a sorry figure, right? Having done that, I can appeal to you to do that, right? I'm doing what I'm suggesting to you. Now I will close this and I will go to.
Sir, it's 31 minutes.
Good. So we're on good time. We are making good time. Good. What I will now do, I will take you to our another exhibit. Sorry, I'm having a problem exiting. Okay, I got it. Okay, I will now. How many of you are familiar with the new brand manual? Have you seen the new brand manual?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Good. Can you see this, please? Can you see the brand manual? The blue color thing? Can you see something?
Yes.
Good.
Sir.
Okay, I'll start from the beginning. Friends, someone said something very significant. Who was that? The words that you use to communicate who said that? The words you use to communicate the leader's views. Someone said
I
that.
said it, sir. I
Who
said
was
it.
that?
Priya Ganesh.
Priya. See, what Priya says comes here. First of all of us, rather all the VPPRs should be familiar with the brand manual. We are familiar with the old brand manual. This is a much lighter version, more contemporary version. I'll explain to you, since I've done the earlier, worked on the previous one, I can tell you. Some of the things we overlook, just like we overlook the resources, which I showed you the last slide. These are some of the things we will overlook. Therefore, I'm going to spend some time on it. Tagline. Just do it. Who says just do it? Which product's tagline is just do it? Oops.
I think it's Nike.
Nike, that's right. So, it's, such a lot of effort is put in to capture the spirit in 2 words. Where leaders are made is the personality delineation of Toastmasters. The core values we know, right? We know, that we know. Third, the brand promise, empowering individuals through personal and professional development. Every word is weighed before they arrive at this. You remove one word, something will be lost. So these are what should guide us and what we should use. Again, something that we often miss. I'm going to read it. Personality. Our personality reflects how the organization interacts with audiences at every touch point, such as through internal communication, external media, social posts, and more. While adjustments should be made for, culture, etc., but they are just like the color, which all of us think is the word of God, this is equally important. That's the point I'm trying to make. Look at the voice and tone. What is the voice? Have you ever thought about that? Voice and tone. Again, for a moment, you look at the 6 characters here. Nothing happens by chance, my friends. Look at every person there. There is a certain confidence. There's a certain camaraderie. There's a certain warmth. This is how Toastmasters communicates in non-verbal, non-visible, subconscious ways. Voice and tone is the same as these photographs. Very subtle, but that delineates. Look at it. Warm, clear, friendly, professional, succinct. Succinct means nothing, no blah blah. Very, very trim. Like what I personally call the six-pack of language. Not an extra word. Trim. Respectful. Because respect is one of our 4 values. Universally understandable. See, understandable, clarity. Earlier you saw the word clarity. This is now further expansion of that. So we should be the other side. There is a functional aspect. There is a emotional aspect. To be clear is functional. To do it respectfully is being respectful to the brand that we are the brand masters of. Internationally friendly. Again, have you noticed? All pictures show a spaghetti of international characters. That's how you close your eyes and think of Toastmasters. Such images come to our mind. Photographs, actually the word is, you can impress people if you want to. The word is iconography. 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 Iconography is the words, is the icons you use to propagate a certain personality. It can be a logo. It can be Amul. There is that cheerful, mirthful little girl. All that is iconography. So I move to the visual guidelines. You can stop me. Since you're experienced, please feel free to stop me. I won't take offense. Also, one little tip I want to give you. When you come across something like this, download. Look at the color scheme. That is the hint you can download something. When you go online, you look for this pocket. This burgundy against gray, that's download. Quickly you will notice it. Logo, do I need to spend time with you all? Anyone needs any clarification? Please ask me, I will give you. Minimum size, because all logos have the specification. Secondly, all logos have a space for respect. It's like God. You need to, have a framework for God, right? Similarly, no logo would like to get hemmed in. That's why they specify a space around, a space for the halo. That's how you show respect. An important person who comes, you don't go and, hug him. Respect. Logo needs that respect. It's a spatial respect you're giving. By the by, I know a lot of you are very happy with this round logo, I find, because of familiarity. To me, it's almost like the MGM's lion. There's a period touch about it. Plus, universally shown. Whereas those who are into logos, typography, and I am one for like that. I love this logo. The wordmark logo. It's so crisp for me. I mean, I can't describe it. Typography communicates personality so beautifully, not only visuals. So, but it's each his own. By the way, depending on whether you use the globe or the this one, your personality of that flyer will change. One advantage I will tell you, to accommodate this, you need to sacrifice space vertically and horizontally. It will compete with other elements, whereas this is so innocuous. It's so gracious. Anyway, I don't want to sell it. I'm not here. I have no particular inkling, but I'm saying to you the practical advantage of this. This again, it's 97 years is not a joke. To be a success for 97 years itself is a story. It's a convincing story. Therefore, this is a very nice style to do the 1924. 1924, even before the First World War was being thought about by the leaders, this organization has been transforming people. I mean, remarkable. This, friends, since you all have been VPPRs, I don't have to spend time over it. Nobody likes your name distorted. Nobody likes your photograph cut through. So it's the same thing. Or do I need to explain any of them? Tell me.
No, sir. No, fair.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm thankful to you for being practical. Friends, same thing you apply with them, but except that the VPPRs are a new lot. I have the advantage of dealing with people who have dealt with this. So in your case, you need to be a little more. You need to, take them along. Your knowledge shouldn't decide your speed. Their ignorance should decide your speed. Kindly consider it. This is something I give Toastmasters huge credit for. You see, it may look very simple. One second. Can you see the three colors?
Yes, sir.
You're familiar with it, right?
Yeah.
Any views on these three colors? Anyone? Okay. In the interest of time, I will explain to you. See, the colors are formed by the combination of how many colors? 4 colors. Here you have cyan, that is blue. You have magenta, yellow, and black. K is black. Everything is a combination of these colors. If you notice, you know what is red, you know? Red is 100% yellow and 100% magenta gives you red. It's a direct color. That's why it's so bright. That's why, Tamil Nadu parties love it, right? Okay. Similarly, green. Green is nothing but yellow plus cyan. It's a direct color. So there are some color. Orange is a direct color. Whereas these are sophisticated colors. These are sophisticated colors. When you have a handbag, would you like a direct color like red, or would you have a sophisticated color? Friends, you know, color works in subliminal ways. This is how Toastmasters creates that feeling of intellectualism, development, sophistication, conferencing through these colors, and of course the typography, they do it. Now, someone asked this question about yellow. Remember?
Yeah.
Who asked the question?
Yeah,
Yellow.
Hariharan.
Hariharan. Hariharan, I'll come back to these 3 colors and this yellow. This yellow is what is called the accent color. Means it's like salt. You have to only put that much salt, but you need that salt when you need it, right? This is a color to be used with restraint. Why, I will tell you. You know the normal yellow, that bright yellow? That's again a direct color. That's a direct color. It's like milk. You give milk to a child, but to an adult, you add it, you adulterate that with tea, or you put some adrak, whatever. Sophistication, friends, comes from manipulation. That's the truth. Okay, you can claim that simplicity is great, etc. But that sophistication in presentations is like the dress you wear. The shirt, for example, gents, they don't wear direct colors, do they? So you like those shades. They communicate that, you know, that light blue versus the greenish blue, the personality changes. And this works subliminally, friends, believe me. These work subliminally. So here, what I wanted to say was, these 3 colors. See, look at green. Green, simply, you know that if you add white to black, you get green, correct? But this is not that green. This is a sophisticated green. Again, this yellow. You know what will happen? I'll tell you. If this yellow were a bright yellow, despite the yellow being small, all your eyes would have gone there. Can you visualize it? In this page, if this yellow, which is now happy yellow, were a direct yellow, everybody's eyes would have gone there. The idea is not to, see, accent color. See how it is written? In the middle of this text, if you want to draw attention, but not to, diminish everything else, but enough to draw attention, this color helps. You see this? How it has been used? Accent color. That's the purpose of accent color. Now, this is something recently introduced. I suggest to you, very simple. Go and see, what is that? Ashwati. Anybody knows Ashwati? She is a great user of gradations. She is a brilliant artist. You simply have to follow her. Tell them she is with
Dynamic Forum.
Which one?
Dynamic Leaders.
Dynamic Leaders, exactly. See, currently their 1 year anniversary is going on. Please look at the visual she has created. Look at the video she has created. The facing sheet has the gradation. You know what is gradation? You're familiar with gradation, right? Instead of a single color, can you see the blue there are subtle variations in that. So you can see a wave, you can see a movement, you can see a dynamism. That is what variation brings. So just close your eyes, go to Ashwati's sites, samples, you will know what is to be done. Look at the gray. There's a certain subtlety to even the original subtle gray. Correct? There's a soft touch. There's a feather touch. Now, this is tricky. The simplest I can explain is, all of us have black coffee, right? You know the color of black coffee. What happens if you start pouring milk into that black coffee and keep stirring? The color will change. That is exactly what this is. See, look at it. At the bottom, you have like the crescent. You can see the burgundy. But if you keep adding white, you will get this biscuity color. That is what they are saying. And on the right-hand side, you can see some semblance of that. It is not stark black and white or burgundy, shades of burgundy. This is a tricky one. I would like you to see more examples before you people start using it, because suddenly the personality will change unless used cleverly. So I suggest to you, for now, you recommend they stay with the true 4 colors, the yellow minimally, and they go for this. This is the baby step I would suggest. Remember, the Toastmaster website, which all of us used to use for creating our work, is evolved over a period of time, whereas this is a new one. This only came out 6 months back, 8 months back. So let it mature. I suggest that till it matures, let us not get into new personalities, unintended personalities. You can stop me unless I'm doing a brilliant job. I don't understand how to read your silence. Any questions? Any doubts?
No.
Yeah, no, because I used to teach, so I have no problem with questions being asked. Pathways needs no explaining. Look at it. Here, I don't understand how. Somehow these designs got in. So they are respecting it, they are not pulling it out. I have no comments beyond that, because this is outside the personality of the TMI, if you ask me. Incidentally, you see the background? You see the background blue? This is what is meant by gradation plus opacity. You can see the color changing, right? See, already I'm feeling uncomfortable. I don't mind telling you this, because I'm used to the other flat color. So slowly we have to evolve, because otherwise you may be doing the right thing, but if the member doesn't see it as Toastmasters, the purpose is defeated. That's why I'm requesting you take baby steps with opacity. Fonts. Friends, if you are into fonts, you will understand. Fonts have such character. And you know, here, this Gotham, you look at each of them, look at the way it is chiseled. I want you to have that appreciation now that you are in PR. I'm sure you already have it. Then you will deal with it like gold, not like typefaces, right? You have this easy thing called Montserrat. Montserrat is available also in PPT, by the way. So when you're doing PPT, go for Montserrat. Merit Pro is again a very popular, it's become a default design. It is thinner. If you look at Merit Pro Lite, Merit Pro Lite versus look at Gotham Lite. Gotham is fatter. Merit Pro is a lot more condensed. Otherwise, character-wise, they are very similar. Now, something that we often forget, which we have already talked about. This is what I mean by iconography. Look at it. Every person is attentive. When you take a photograph, a group photograph, make sure that this happens. Every individual shows the right attitude. See, they are confident. Can you imagine they are leaders? Each of them look like leaders, right? They don't look like novices. And they're attentive. And you can see the mutual respect. The way this lady is lowering her eyes. I tell you, you know, visuals they speak. They're eloquent. So I want you to please get a feel of it. And look at this. Give me 5 adjectives reading this visuals, please. Boring?
It's my.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, it looks pleasant.
Pleasant, engaged, intellectual, indoors, conference, friends, all these. Now you can't have 20 words in your visual, but you're doing it here. No, friends, I'm telling you, this is art, this is craft, this is communication craft. Since you have been VPPRs, I would urge you to cultivate this. That will make you communicators. Please appreciate this is the best of brains are working. Otherwise, Toastmasters wouldn't have lasted for 97 years. So this is an opportunity to learn the trade. So I'm very happy, I'm excited because I've done this all my life. So I'm saying that with conviction. This is the way we communicate. Look at this. I hugely appreciate. See, everybody has going for rejuvenation, every brand. Toastmasters was getting you to be a stayed brand. How? They will not let you put the logo against visuals. Remember your time? You were not allowed to put the logo over visuals or photographs. Now they are allowing it. Can you see? How beautiful. This is modern. I hats off to them that they had the openness to change their own ways. Resources, you can stop here because there is nothing else. One word of warning. Tell all the XCOM guys to continue to use all your original stationery, but change the design. In other words, this is too. Thank you. I like the diversion. Whoever was creative enough, I thank you for that. I need that. What I want to say was that, see, in this, you will not find those 20 stationary items that you've been using. That doesn't mean you cannot use it. The MOM, the minutes of meeting, the letter, all that you can use. The agenda. Only thing is, replace the old style with the new style. Because, like I said, this is the basic thing they have given you. Over a period of time, they have given you, they have given you dilutions. So slowly you will find the whole thing, right? I think, look at this. Very selectively, you can use yellow. The answer I wanted to give you is here, but look at it. In the 40 pages, only on one page they've done that. Because if you do it on 30 pages, TMI will look like something else. So use yellow selectively like salt. Trademark and all, we can forget it. I that's my case. Right. Screen sharing is stopped. Okay. Any questions? I'm sorry, what I could not deliver was some samples of creatives. How much time do we have, sir?
Sir, it's nearly red.
Nearly red.
We have 5 minutes.
5 minutes more. What do I do in 5 minutes? Let me try. Any questions? Please come up with your questions. Meanwhile, I'll be ready with my deck. Anyone?
Can you use any templates for creating posters, sir?
Yes, as in?
As in outside templates. We have a lot of templates in websites, right, sir? So we have Prezi, or we have Canvas.
Yeah, see, no, these are software. Of course, you can use all of them. A lot of people use Canva people. Even PowerPoint, you know that? PPT, you can make presentations. I use InDesign. So any of them, you're most welcome to use any of them.
Okay. And one quick experience from you, sir. So what is the most challenging thing you faced during your VPPR roles?
Thank you. In fact, that's what I'm trying to show you. One I want to share with you is this. How two things I want to show you. I hope I can quickly manage that. One is screen share. Yeah. Can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Life
sir.
is beautiful. Okay, life is beautiful. Somebody came up with a theme. So one of the members said, let's do this. This is the design that member gave. I told her, you know, it's a no-no. Why it's a no-no? You're not supposed to use scenery. Toastmasters, correct? You don't know? You cannot use scenery in Toastmasters designs. You don't know?
No, we are aware that it is not allowed to use cartoons and stuff of that
No,
sort.
neither. No, I'll tell you. Animals, food, children, cartoons, scenery. No. Kindly read upon that. Kindly read upon
Okay.
that. No. In fact, I wanted to present it to them if you think people are not aware, because otherwise we'll be doing injustice.
Yes.
Okay. So then what happened? Somebody came up with this. Life is beautiful. Okay, a marriage scene. Finally, the BBP had already done this. People jumping up for joy. Then we hit upon this. And this is my recommendation. Is it allowed? I'll tell you, I asked the PR person directly, and I had changed the color by then because red was not allowed by then. This was approved by TMI. So if somebody thinks that scenery is not allowed, this context it's allowed. It's not scenery. The lady is ecstatic, right? That way, cleverly you can use. So this is one success I felt, and it was slightly different from what I don't, unfortunately. Okay, let me now give you this example. Yeah, okay. You know, we last year, remember, 75% attendance you need to get the marks for team meeting, correct?
Yes.
How do you do that? We are a community club. I cannot, take liberties like in a college or in a corporate. Here, people don't come. So what we did was, 15th August, we created a campaign. I brought some of them here. One voice was the theme. When was the last time you sang the national anthem loud with friends? Come, let's do that. Dressed in tricolor was a proposition. We kept on sending reminders. Same thing. Medlians will wear the tricolor, sing the national anthem. Every Medlian will share Independence Day thoughts, etc. In fact, I have not brought all of them. We did some 6 posters. This was again, finally, long and short of what I want to say, that we created such a hype that we got 75% attendance, which is not usual. Normally, we are about 50%. We are a largest club. So this is one that I felt good about. But I must tell you why. The why of it, I told you. The why, in my view, was this, irrespective of age. And we have some senior people in my club. The moment you say, in fact, another one we showed them running up with the, running from school with the national flag. So we created nostalgia, singing national anthem together, maybe the wrong beat or whatever. So you need to touch people's raw nerves of emotions to make them come. Only with intelligence, you cannot do that. So that's my lesson. I think we have to break. You're welcome to contact me. I'll be happy to help whatever questions you have. My email ID is ttabraham@gmail.com. ttabraham@gmail.com.
Sir, can you post it in chat, sir? Maybe we can.
Where here I can leave. I have to leave the room, I'm told.
We have 20 seconds more, sir. That is
I don't have that speed, Baba.
Okay, sir. Anyway, thanks for your insights, sir. It was really helpful. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sure. Thank you.